in 3D. I have uploaded there is one video which is made the plan in AutoCAD. So the same plan I'm going to make the 3D in the Revit software. So the first thing is that this is a 3D plan, and in this video I'm not going to tell you the elevation of this project, just only I'm going to tell you the plan of the 3D. So here you can see the whole things which is I made earlier, and I have told each and everything in the plan which I have uploaded. There is one video which if you didn't watch that video, you can go first watch then this video if you want to know the size of each and everything. So before that, after that you can watch these things. So here this is a kitchen, and here is the one bedroom with attached latrine bath. Here is a small bedroom. Here is the dining area, you can see here. Here is another bedroom, and this is a toilet, and here is the living room. This is a small temple, and here is the staircase, and this is a main gate which is for the entry. Here is the one doors which from this way you can enter in this room, and this is a space which I have left. There is the size of this space is 2 feet. So I'm going to tell you each and everything about the plan. Here the kitchen, the size of the kitchen is 11 feet by 8 feet. So 11 feet in this way and 8 feet in this way. This is the size of the bedroom with attached latrine bath. The size of the latrine bath is 4 feet by 6 feet, 4 feet in this way and 6 feet in this way. And the size of the bedroom is 12 feet by 13 feet, 12 feet in this way and 13 feet in this way. Here is the small bedroom for the kids. If you have a kid in your family, so this is a bedroom for them. The size of this bedroom is 8 feet by 8 feet. They can use for the study purpose also, and this is for the kids also. This is a toilet. The size of this toilet is 4 feet by 7 feet, and this is a living area. The size of this living area is 12 feet by 10 feet. So 12 feet in this way and 10 feet in this way. This is a size another bedroom, and the size of this bedroom is 11 feet by 13 feet, 11 feet in this way and 13 feet in this way. Here is the temple hall. Here is a temple. The size of the temple is 3 feet by 4 feet, you can see here, and this is a staircase. So in this way you can so in this way you can go through up a stair at the roof. So this is the size. This is the whole things which I made in this Revit software. So if you wanted to see the plan of this project, so you can go. There is one video I have uploaded, so you can see that things. So you can see this is a just 3D plan of that. Just 3D of that plan which I have made earlier. So you can see here the size of the, I will tell you the size of this door. This is a 3 feet by 7 feet, 3 feet in this way and 7 feet in this way, the size of the doors of the kitchen. And this is the bedroom door, which is the size of these things 3 feet and 3 feet by 7 feet. This is the dining area. The size of this dining area is 7 feet by 12 feet. So you can see here it is a sufficient space for the using of the dining area. And also this is the gully, you can see. This is in this way, this is a living area, and through the passage you can enter on this living area, dining area. So this is the whole things, and The door size is the same of each and every things like kitchen and bedroom and each and everything, but the difference is that the door size is only in toilets. The size of this toilet is 2 feet 6 inch. This is the width, and the height is 7 feet, and the same size of the door is the temples door is same, like 2 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. So you can see here each and everything's very well. So this is the whole things which I have made. You can see each and everything's here like this. So thank you and very much.